Look, get the leaves. Oh, you just missed it. They were. Wait for the next big gust. It was really cool. Oh, here comes the rain. Oh, yes, here comes the rain. Cold. Move. Back.
The cat fell off the balcony. Looks like I'm here on the fourth floor. The tree was hit by lightning before. Why I'm standing here. There's actually no lightning. There's just wind. Oh. Okay. Wow, huh? Okay, wow. I'm gonna shut this. Bad. Okay, now I'm getting scared. Guys, I'm downstairs.
I mean, it looks like a damn hurricane out
I
there.
know, I got scared. That's the other one. If there's water blowing in our bedroom window.
I mean, it's 2020. Anything's possible. I'm waiting for an earthquake, and I mean, murdered crickets.
It's no lightning and thunder though. I guess that's
I
the
saw a
bad
little
thing.
lightning. Not much. Oh, there's some.
Yeah, it's sheet rain. Sheet rain.
The wind does crazy things through this courtyard. It's going to be
I know
interesting
it.
in the snow.
It rained really hard and our carpet got all wet and gotta dry it off. It's not so windy anymore. It's probably gonna get cooler now. Oh, that was really windy. That blew all the leaves off the trees. I need to get away from this window. Lightning's gonna hit. Later, guys.